Hey, Felicia here, and I want to talk about crafting goals. The goal of crafting was never to follow along with one more tutorial, pausing every 10 seconds, hoping you're doing it right. The goal is sitting down at your machine, no instructions open, no second guessing, no, wait, am I doing this right? Just you, an idea, and the confidence to just make it happen. That's the finish line, and I've got something that's going to get you there faster. I want to introduce you to the members only section of the Craft with Felicia channel. The first here is the creative supporter. This one's for people who just love what we're doing. They want to help keep the lights on and the machines running. At this tier you get loyalty badges and discounts on merch, plus my endless gratitude. You are the whole reason this thing keeps growing, so thank you. The next two tiers, they take you from, I think I can do this, to, wow, I actually made that all on my own. The Crafting Insider tier is for the crafter who's actively creating and wants a direct line to me. You get everything in tier 1, plus priority replies to your comments and access to members only polls. This is where you stop watching from the sidelines and we start an actual back and forth. You ask, I answer. That's simple. And then there's the VIP Creators Club. This is the full studio experience. You get everything in the first two tiers, plus access to members only tutorials. You get to vote on what I tackle next, and you get exclusive access to images and files. If you're serious about mastering your machines, this is your tier. Now don't worry, my free videos, tips, tricks, hacks, projects, product reviews aren't going anywhere. But the members only videos in the VIP Creators Club are full-on one-on-one workshops. Just you and me. Nothing skipped and nothing glossed over. And here's the part that makes it actually stick. Some videos are going to be informational. Others will be tutorials, and for those, I give you the exact images and files I use. So you're not just watching me work, you're making the same thing right alongside me. Pause it, rewind it, go at your own pace as many times as you need until it just clicks. You walk away with a finished project in your hands and the skill to do it again on your own. That's the whole point. And this isn't about just one machine either. My members only library is going to cover a bunch of topics and grow over time. I'll be adding workshops regularly. And yep, VIP Creator Club members get to vote on what's next. So come on in. Let's build something you're actually proud of together.